Wonderful people. I have a question for you. How many of you think you have good friends around you? Raise your hand, please. How many of you think you are a good friend for your friends? Let's see if after this video you still think the same. How often did you fail or fall down? And people just passed by, watching you. Or even worse, people you know passed by, watching you. Or even worse, they passed by, they stayed, laughed at you, continued. How does it feel? The friends of Felix are there from the very first moment to support him. No one even laughs at him. When the first kick fails and he falls down, they are cheering his name like he's a champion. And I promise for them, he's a champion. How often you didn't reach your goals, put your head down, give up, and this voice in the head, I can't do that. I'm not good enough. And then this special person comes to you. Yes, you can do that. One more step, one more try, one more time. Yes, you can. And then you feel supported by this warm-hearted friend. Have you ever had this experience? How does it feel? And how often you reach your goals, and then there are people around you. They feel your achievement as their own, and they celebrated it from the bottom of their heart with you. I'm going to ask you again the question. I don't want you to raise the hand. Just answer in your heart. How many of you think you have good friends around you? And if the answer is yes, you are good. If the answer is no, but you want to have this quality friend, I ask you the second question, and answer it again in your heart. How many times you helped the person who asked you sincerely for help? And the answer to this question might, and I say might, help you to understand why you feel alone when you need a supporting hand beside you.